Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. According to my understanding, the issue is not Sharia standardization or Sharia harmonization. Maybe the topic is another. Because Sharia is a divine law derived from the sacred or the Holy Quran and Hadith, Ijma and Qiyas. These are the sources of Sharia. The door of revelation is closed. There is no new book, there is no new prophet, there is nothing. So Sharia is not something debatable, or Sharia is not something to discuss or to harmonize. Sharia is already harmonized because Quran and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ila kaffatil linnasi jami'a, for the whole world was revealed until the day of judgment. This is harmonized, this is globalized, this is standardized. No issue. What is the issue? The issue is, I always, when listening in the conferences, so the issue is standardized fatwa. What is the market need? What market is crying? What the question is around fatwa, not Sharia. People need one standardized fatwa to be applied in UK, in America, in Malaysia, in Pakistan, in Sudan, in Saudi Arabia. Now I will try just to define what is fatwa. And then inshallah, I am sure, minimum, you people will be satisfied with this question, and this question will be closed forever. Inshallah. Fatwa, it is not a mere citation of a legal provision. It is a judicial verdict with reasoning. It is based on what Sharia ruling is on practical issues. I came with preparation of PowerPoints, but unfortunately those people said that because, and I know Sharia session always is very miskin session, and this is a short time and less time. Fatwa could be issued after considering all question of law and question of facts. Judgment on question of law could be identical, but judgment on question of fact always based on ground realities. Mufti has to consider the frame of reference in which verdict is issued. Number 2, the attending circumstances. Number 3, judicial wisdom and discretion of Mufti, istiswab al-Mufti. Equity, ihsan. If you have two options, to kill the person or to allow the person, then Sharia advised Mufti and Qadi that do ihsan if you have both options. If you have two ways, that don't kill someone, but do ihsan. And repercussion, yani al-atharat mutarattaba, yani what will be the consequences, the result of implying this fatwa. See to the future, what will be the effects. Interpretation of law, like always interpretation are different, and customs, urf, or trends. All these things involve human faculties, mindset, approach, trends, and experience of muftis. This would lead to a conclusion that fatwa is always dynamic. It cannot be static. Impossible, never, ever. It is not a stereotyped and mechanically controlled process. It is not something arithmetical like 2 + 2 is 4 in all over the world. No. Sharia negates rigidity of law. Why? And still the door of ijma, qiyas, istihsan, istiswab, and sulha are open for us. Sharia believes on evolution, irtiqa of jurisprudence, not to be fundamental, not to be like backward people. When frame of reference are different, when mental faculties of muftis are different, when level of understanding and interpretation are different, when customs and local laws are different, when fatwa is expected to manifest differently in different scenarios, then how come Sharia be harmonized? Sharia means any fatwa. How come to be made arithmetical? How come it be standardized? How come Mufti be made bound to overlook? This is the main point. To make Mufti bound to overlook the attending circumstances as per his own wisdom. I feel, and really I feel, and I feel fair that before this issue was, the topic was Sharia globalization, then Sharia standardization, then Sharia harmonization. But in future I am afraid that there will be new conference with the topic Sharia scrutinization. So all these shall will come around Sharia and Fatwa. But please understand what is Fatwa and what is Sharia ruling. Yes, Sharia ruling is standardized, already fixed, and for the whole world. But Fatwa is something different. Yes, come on for community welfare, come on for general benefits, come on for masalih al-mursala. Yes, we are ready. Come on for unified Sharia board. Yes, on country level, there should be supreme authority unified Sharia board. But for daily basis, for all banks, there must be Sharia board. Because if we go to one Sharia board, it means there is no competition of market. This is trade. Islamic banking industry or Islamic banks are not charitable organization. They are traders. In trade, always there is competition. So, it is not a problem to be a unified committee. Unified committee will be under or selected by central bank. But tell me, who will select this unified committee Sharia scholars? A lot of mujtahideen are here. A lot of Sharia scholars are here. A lot of muftis are here. But less amount of Sharia scholars are in this industry. Other comes from economy, from legal, only from here, from there. They are not Sharia scholars. And why we are talking today about Sharia standardization? Why we need these things? Sharia is a beautiful deen. Sharia is a deen of nature, religion of nature. Fatwa is something different. So, we have to know to understand fatwa, we have to define fatwa, then this chapter will be closed forever. Nobody will say Sharia harmonization and standardization.
Mufti Aziz, I mean, again, you're raising very, from a common law lawyer's perspective, you're raising some very interesting observations because
this is a big problem, and unfortunately, like for example, you people, all people are here. Tell me, how much of you are sending your sons or your daughter for Sharia education? Tell me. Why we are crying? Shortage of people. But people working in this industry, most of them came from conventional banking. Conventional manager, conventional people came to Islamic banking. They are a very valuable asset for us. But unfortunately, only they changed their job with same mind. And this is the big problem in our industry. Our Sharia people are not coming near to banking industry. While this is their responsibility ethically and regionally. And according to our religion, according to our fatwa, this is their responsibility. So, but we hope, inshallah, in future, the time will come, the new generation will come. With this hope only we are alive. We are trying with this hope. There is nothing else. The new generation, inshallah, will come, educated from both sides, from Sharia as well from banking system, and then they will establish, inshallah, a good system, new system, and then the whole world will be automatically standardized and the whole world will be okay. This problem all will be solved, but it's only just hope.
that's very